Welcome to Sunny Design. Registration is not required to try out our design software and plan systems. Registered users benefit in many ways, however. After registering for free, you can edit, save and manage additional project types, create a variety of your own templates and profiles, create personalized project documentations, for example with your company's logo. Incidentally, users of Sunny Portal can also log into Sunny Design with their existing Sunny Portal access details. For a new project of a type of your choice, assign a project name and specify the location of the PV system. Selecting the relevant grid connection will enable you to apply a suitable filter to the list of inverters that are valid for the design. In the advanced project data, Sunny Design will consider all settings related to the location and underlying legal conditions. Where necessary, you can check and adapt them. In the header section, you can quickly switch between the last three projects. Now it's time to continue configuring the PV system. Under System, you can initially choose between visual roof planning and manual planning. For this example, we are using the manual planning. We will address visual roof planning in a separate tutorial video. In manual planning, you select a manufacturer and a PV module first. Match the number of PV modules to the desired peak power and edit the orientation and mounting type for the PV modules. Now you can either manually select the inverter, generate the design automatically, or display a list of suggested designs. From this, you can select anyone. In addition, Sunny Design offers the option of restricting the choice of inverters or sorting them by various criteria. Once the design is chosen, you can see at a glance how the modules are connected to the inverter, as well as the details of the inverter configuration. Information, solution proposals, and the system status will help you assess the design. If necessary, you can add a battery storage system to your system and adapt it. For energy management, Sunny Design can generate a design proposal for system monitoring for you, which you can adapt if necessary. In the next step, you need to consider the profitability of your system in terms of capital expenditure and operating costs. You can do so, as with many other aspects in Sunny Design, in simplified or detailed form, including preparation of a quotation. In the simplified form, 4 details are sufficient. Alternatively, you can also enter a fixed price. In addition, you have the option of configuring financing or funding at this point. The profitability results will be shown based on the tariff and cost settings, which you can also adapt and specify in detail. That will complete the basic design. In the next step, Results, you can consider and check all relevant key figures in a concise overview. These include, for example, general project information and data, notes on design and details concerning energy and environment, spreadsheet data on the PV system, grid connection, and performance, which you can also export in CSV format, and the itemized cost and key figures. Under Project Documentation, you need only select the document components and the output format under Settings for a personalized printout or a PDF file. The selected combination will be displayed accordingly in the preview. With that, the PV system design will be completed. In addition, you can specify your system design in the detailed planning with further input regarding load profile, cable dimensioning, self-consumption, or even advanced requirements concerning energy management.